Hello, Longisa. This is Catalina Island. How you say Cathy Island? You take cruise ship or you take boat from OY, LA. You come here. This one is famous. This building, I don't know what in here. What you do? I see the postcard have a lot of that building. Over here you see lots of ship, boat, ship, and oh yeah, right there the boat moving. So I'm gonna go out there and walk around, show you guys the island. In the boat now. This is the Carnival cruise ship right here, and we are going to Catalina Island right now. We go over there. This one come out, go back to the boat. Some people will turn into the ship. We are here.
We're running 15, 20 minutes of gate number 5. Have fun, girls. Have fun.
4:45 is the last boat to come back.
Oh,
We
okay.
used to book like
Watch yourself, ladies and gentlemen. Watch yourself. Last 10 of the day. It's 4:45.
4:45.
4:45.
4:45. Thank you. So everybody getting out. And
Have a great time on the island.
thank you so much.
You can take it off now. It's not cold or what? You cold?
We used to do summering down here, and then there's not too much fishes in here like Hawaii. That is on the other side.
Where's Terminal 5?
So they are going back. These people go back, but they're like, oh, we come out. You could like rental some boat out here. They take you out. Carnival is open everywhere. We're here to take pictures, to swim. We've come here too many times, so no, we don't want a picture anymore. I mean, the reason we come here many times.
We just got here right
because
now.
It's
Like an hour
cheaper.
and a half. But we had gone to the restaurant.
And they are also the golf is famous.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
But the line to enter the golf cart is too long. Maybe. So I'm inside the beach right here. Some kids are swimming and some don't. But if you see the orange one right here, that's a submarine. So when my son was 4 years old or 5 years old, we came here. We took that and he enjoyed it so much. But it was not a lot of fish. And to go to the boat in submarine, people come from here. They come from here. In the middle right here. They take right here. And up they go, submarine is leaving. Let's see the submarine disappear inside the ocean, inside the water. Maybe he go far away until he go inside. So I might not capture him. people didn't love grotto. When I brought my son here, he didn't want to go back to the ship unless I take him back to the pool. And that submarine still going. So it's gonna go far, far away until you go down to the ocean. So he's gonna go deeper. So right here it's not that deep because we're just next to the sand, the beach ocean. Okay, you have to watch your step, the walk. It's walking. See? It's fall down, especially I have sandal. Ah.
Well, but buddy, we don't. Where it's only 11. We have some time to spare.
Watch your step. It does tell you to watch your step.
I mean, do you want to walk?
The submarine
No,
is
it said of playing
back it up. I'm sure many people will caught this area. My sister-in-law, they went to the golf cart. So they riding golf. But golf cart is over there, huh? Yeah, let's go over there. That we need to go. But I didn't have it. I want to record them when they go golf cart. Oh, the submarine is slow moving. This is from Step Brother, the movie. You guys watch the movie Step Brother. So colorful. So my sister-in-law, they do this thing right here. But I don't want to light up the lights too long. So here they go. And then you can go to the whole island. So here we're here. A family rental. Last time we went to 1 hour for $60. And we go the whole thing. It show you where to go. You have direction. They tell you like where to go, how to go. Market.
Chocolate dive, right?
This is stay away from the plant. Every time when we come here, the only thing we get is like ice cream, smoothies. It's because we don't want to eat a lot, so we have free food in the ship. But sometimes the ship food is okay. Anyway. Up there, I'm not sure that's a church or not. We leave before at 4:45. The last ships.
Would have never stopped and done a cook some burger, but now
Little shop, little kids shop. The back is cute. Into the back. House in here are pretty colorful. not smoky. Lots of restaurant and gift shop. So that thing is just to be a casino. So that here, let me show you guys where the casino used to be. If you like to walk and you walk further, you will see avocado trees and flower. So over here it used to be casino. I'm not sure the casino is the white one right here or the one over there. I'm not sure that casino. So the summer arena is gone and then the other one come back right here. Oh, maybe that's the only one that have. So nothing here, but yeah. Nhà bún chén một cái ốt nhỉ, với yếm hoa chén một ốt thì nó ngọt leo trèo. Thank you, that's good. But I will not sit next to the bathroom. Oh, that is the church. The bell is ringing. Okay, let's walk about and look some more. Oh, so this is not the casino. Casino is the so-called building over there. This is a club. Look at the dolphin. Hat. Will you buy that in Mexico or here? Public shower. So after they go to the beach, right here, and play, they can go over there and shower. Casino way shower, towel rental. Oh, this is right. If you want to rental stuff for the beach. Some of these boats are so big. So casino is that one. I believe this is the casino. But let me go walk all the way there and see what is it exactly what they write down. I always dream to have one of this house.
Slightly different. But I just take it out. I take it out and I put it on in the shower. So it's just
I think on the top is talk about wind. It's pretty windy. How you know it's windy? Look at the fan. Oh, I don't know what is this, but look at the ball. They have ball. So this blue building right here is a yacht club. So the other one is tuna club. This one is yacht club. So in California, I believe there are 6 carnival that run back and forth in California. They go Mexico, Alaska, Hawaii also. From Texas, I think there are one. In Florida, maybe there's two, and in another state. So they have Carnival is worldwide, but they don't go worldwide. Each trip goes those cattle over there, cattle. So looking back, this is the yacht club. And looking back, it looks like this so far. So this boat, they pop in, but how you get inside? There are a lot of boat, nobody there. How you get inside? So they have a little boat, like a ferry boat right here, to take them to the boat. So take them out and take them back. So those are wild boat for booty, and those are, if you look at it, the boat are tied to that, so the boat don't move. So the boat pop in there, and then they tie it to the boat, so the boat don't move. And yeah, but here this guy's in there because the little boat just took him back to his little boat. Check out the sailboat. Black boat is so nice. The name is Land. I cannot read the name. I cannot read anyway. I think it's bad, but you guys can read it. Look at the mountain. It's so beautiful. I love that brown boats underneath. It's just so nice. So this one is called Tuna Club, and this one is called Yacht Club. Those are people's houses, and to walk upstairs is hella good exercise. A lot of steps. Yeah, but that boat right there, people sitting inside, so sexy. They're so rich. Oh, I turn around and I see this flower with lots of thorns. So cute, right? I want to smell it, but this is thorn right here. This is pocky.
Yeah.
Oh, I smell it. It smells so good. See, if you have this type of boat, it's a good business. You take people into the boat and you go out. You take people into the you charge them about $20 each time. Oh, look, helicopter. Can you guys see? Yeah. Where you going? Oh, it was ambulance. Someone was like maybe got sick. So I'm in here and I'm gonna go there in a minute. But let me go around and take a picture real quick. Go around. People do, people see. You know, you're gonna do, you're gonna see. And this is where people die. I have one of my friends that used to die. You know, people are big into like dying right here, so they could see like all kind of stuff inside. And I got a friend, he came here, and I think he died like 2 hours. And yeah, some people just like to do those kind of things, which is cool. I don't know how to swim, and I'm not about to try none of that crazy stuff. See all the stuff that you can rent. You can rent all the equipment, such as tanks, face masks. Oh, this is a super dive. Like this one, you walk under Maybe you wanna stand there and I take a picture of you. Gotta take picture of my man. Okay. This guy just came out and then they're drying themselves. They need to get dry. It's not easy work. Over here, this is where we at. Some wet clothes. Oh, they go down in here. Right here, like those dot. Oh, who are you? Where you coming from? Oh, it's Catalina Island. So I came from that ship right there, but no way I can do this. I'm not here for this. I can't do this, but I wish I can do it. They are not even cold. Even though it's windy, it's not cold. The weather is perfect. Alright. When we go vacation, we don't want to get hurt. We have to like respect all this stuff. Whatever they say, we have to respect. Oh, the ambulance over there. Good. And then the helicopter came. So hopefully someone is okay. Oh, and then look, people doing this also. A lot of activity out here. These poor people, they just came home die, so they enjoy. And that's the casino. Oh, and over there, you can see, behind me, the white thing is where people done with the beach. They go there and relax. I love how the palm trees are lying. So cute. And then Cabana. See the boat is tied to that ball. Lots of cabana right there. Lots of palm trees. It's like a paradise. An island of paradise. So beautiful. The ship is right behind me. And the old casino. Nobody plays, so they have to shut it down. Okay, I'm gonna go in here and see what's in here. It's not open for public. You see all the red flag, but I thought it became a theater because they have all this oh, that's a patient. Have a good day. They're not open. What am I looking? What am I supposed to look at? The painting? Oh, the naked lady. So good. So there's a sign where you could like, oh, welcome to Catalina Island, but no. I'm gonna walk all the way down there and then I'm gonna walk back. A lot of seaweed, the water clear, empty places. The ladies swimming so cool over here. I see over here all the way taking white orange, between the orange to the right side. Looking, kayaking, all the way over there. I'm gonna walk all the way here and then I'm gonna check that out. How cool is that? I don't know how to balance myself. I might fall down and not going nowhere. Oh, look at those kids in the back. They're like playing soccer. This is a hotel. And they own this area. And then the high beach, they own that also. And it's not free. Oh, it's free. They have board. Oh, it's so fun in here. So they own this area, but when you go lower, they don't own that. Oh, and you can go shopping right here. Sorry, I can show you the other islands. Oh. See, little kid are playing in here. Paradise. All the cute stuff. Oh, this is the pirate part. The bathroom. Thanks for visiting. Oh, I think you can walk out this way. Parking lot over here. And then they have bar over there also. Oh, you can walk this way. Okay. Let me go use the bathroom. Come on. Look, they got zip line right here. Zip line. And then they have walk on. How cool is that? So much activity to do. You go up there and then you zoom down. I don't know too much. Okay, that's good. They're done. They come back. So happy that they come back. Now they're done. I don't know how many hours this could be out there. 7 Look at that one, so cute. Okay. Oh, that's a dolphin. You guys did not see the eyes. No, they fought. Oh, a lot in here. I'm gonna take you guys to a little bit to the neighborhood. So if you live like not too far, this can be your, isn't it? You could stop here. Empty space over here, you guys. If you want it, you can buy it and build a business. But right there is a hotel. Oh. hall. There's the apartment, the backyard, the front yard, the garbage. Here. This flower right here in Bay Area, it doesn't survive, but it gives me flower 1 year, and this flower smells so good. All you do, you just broke one and poke it on the hole, and it grows. They have to return because only 1 hour. Everybody have one of this, I guess. Well, maybe not everybody. See, it seems like all the neighborhood have one of this. Those are fruit tree. I haven't seen a coconut tree yet. How's the house look like right here? They got camera on the door. A lot of view. This is a neighborhood of the island, Cathy Island. Walk about a little bit neighborhood. Go back to the place. Look at this house. How nice this is. Oh, see the house. They have 2 in the bottom, backyard all the way up here. Fantastic. All the house in here looks so good. I mean, maybe when people come to my house, they think my house look good. Nah, they see my house, they won't say my house look good. For real. Oh, Cathy Island is California. Look like this is probably a hotel or something. See, it's a California on the license plate. Lots of flower in here. The Bay Area have it also. I like how the house is colorful. Like San Francisco, how pretty colorful too. This is apartment somebody have. Oh, look at this bike. Oh, you can play basketball. Oh, look at the Jeep. Oh, look at the flat. Go USA, go USA. So the house is like house on the hill. House on the hill. Oh, look at the flute. Look what? Look what? Oh, look at the bamboo tree. This is bamboo. Yes, bamboo. We're just going here. Oh, that's stop sign. Hopefully there's a left. Because I want to go. Oh, look at the lamp. The lamp, huh? Can you guys see lamp hanging? The fruit hung up. Right here. And lemon. It's very noisy. Because tourists is using it. Oh, there's no left. That's just somebody's house. That's a white. But I don't know what white take us to. I guess we have to go down where we came from so that we can go eat. That is a hill. Go over there. It's a hill where you come down when you use the gop tree. And some people go in this way and go around. And some people shortcut just go here. And this is a huge apartment. We're here. Let me just go a little bit up to the right so I can show you guys. This one is a house. We're here. Oh, this house looks like San Francisco. Maybe because they built in the hill. Oh, that keep going up the hill, and the other one keep going up the hill. This is all the neighborhood that I will show you. I gotta go down. I don't want to keep going up. I'm gonna be so tired. And then these people, how they could see the cruise ship right here. Lucky them. When you see how right here, that's the gate to go in. And up here, you wonder where you park your car at. So I guess the car is where the garbage can at, right there. And go to the back, which is their front. And this is probably their backyard. I guess we keep going up the hill, which is what I don't want to do. But we got this far. We as well don't turn back. See, like this house. This is their back. So where's the front? Where you put your car garage? So maybe they shoot up there. This one, these people can park right here. Oh, the patio is so big, looking like a little mansion. Okay. Oh yeah, we could go down this way. Oh, that was so good. I thought we had to go up for. I wonder, this palm tree, can you eat the fruit right here? I'm a foodie, and I wonder is that edible. Good thing about map, that you can check out the map where you're going, and then you can go. Some neighborhood of Cathy Island, when you go right here, that help you the mirror. Oh, that's another. So the back is right there. Pink, green, blue, brown. And this house. So I guess the front on the top is their front, and this is the backyard. Oh no, this is not the backyard, that's called garage. Oh. And earlier we said the house is big. Oh, so it's two streets. The other street is your front, and then the other street is your backyard, your back. Like that. Dang. This is apartment 335. Oh yeah, it is apartment. In the back was their garage, right at the top. In the front is the house. So this is considered the back. The front is on the street over there. Oh no, this one probably the front. It's confusing. I don't know about the house. Look, this man is fixing something. Oh, cute tiny little car. Private property, no trespassing. Oh, coming up the street. Hang on. Yeah, but then this tree here. Look, so cute. Oh yeah, those are apartments for sure. No way this apartment old people can live up here. Look there. What kind of tree is this one? I see a lot of these trees, but I don't know what kind. Oh, green day. I have, no, that's not mango. I have this plant. I also have this one too, this color. When you see multiple trash can right here, you know it's like an apartment. But when you see only single one, you know the house is like a single family home. And you can see the cruise ship right there. See, like this one, only one trash can. This is a single home only. Single home. Single home. Now this one is popular. This one is hotel guest. Oh yeah, if you live close down here and you want to stay a couple of days, you stay this kind of hotel. Because you see the boat down there early that it's parked, and they use small portable boat to take them to their boat and up to the dry land. They live in the boat, so they decide like, today I don't want to stay in a hotel. Then they could come to like right here. In the neighborhood, you could see the hill, how hill. Don't sure the apartment or single home or hotels. This one had 2 dogs. Oh, this golf cart, they had something writing right there. Don't know what it means. Not sure if they're up the way or not. I see like a lot of like store sell those for 5,000. Oh, let's go up in the view. I'm gonna go up in the view. Show you guys the mountain. Oh, look at how colorful that house to the left. Oh yeah, walking up the hill is not easy. The nut block is quiet. They have to go in there. That's where the car garage. But up in here, this neighborhood right here, the hill that I was talking about early, those pretty house. But our favorite house is this one right here, the brown one with lots of windows. This one right here is still constructions because don't know what they plan to do. But right here, constructions. It's gonna be night, whatever it is. Up like this. The man is walking right here. Okay. So right here is like a business, and right here is like a hotel. I just talked to a guy early, and he said he's real great. He just got here, and he do Airbnb. And finally, I find a fruit tree. Da 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 da, banana. You see banana right here. Right here, uno, third. One, two. They already cut off the flower, so the banana can grow. The flower, the blossom, will be edible also. The blossom is really good. This is a fig tree. This is a lemon tree. So the banana tree, that one is single home. It's a home. They only have one trash can. Just like this. One trash can, single home. Some fix the house, some don't fix the house. Some turn the house into a hotel, turn into a apartment and hotel. Some turn it into Airbnb, and some they don't want to do nada. Like this up here is balcony. Up here is some sun. Down here is a sidewalk. See, they just got here also. So they go into their apartment for a day or hotel for a day or Airbnb. It's like this, the adjustment. Hello, enjoy, you guys stay. You're welcome. Like this. We used to drive one of this, but not today, not this time, because the last time was terrible wait. 2 hours to get the golf cart, $60 for 1 hour. And the island is small. You don't use all the 60 minutes. Anyways, ta-da-da-da, we back here again. So let me look for my t-shirt. This is for kids, kids shoe. Oh, lots of bag though. Alright, we're down here and let's do some shopping. Lots of t-shirts that we can buy. And then, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, they don't have tank top here. Oh, man, they do? How much for one? Childhood. This is what we do. Oh, that's it. Some burger, if you guys like burger. Some more shopping to do. All the way down there. To here. Oh, a lot of magnet right here. You could look for your t-shirt, like that tank top. I'm not sure that's a woman or man. And I'm gonna go look for a magnet. Off. Let's see. Oh, smell fishy. Lots of fish. This is the end of this area, and it's too fishy in here. But they can get the toenail done in here. Lots of dress. We are looking for an ice cream. We see a man eating ice cream.
Yeah, like
Thirsty. Thirsty. Want some ice cream.
so sunny.
I can't believe it's a small island and I haven't seen my brother and them. Huh. Did they go back already? There's a dress in here. This one is at the ball. And I believe ice cream down there. Oh, ta ta da da da, ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. Yeah. We're gonna get some ice cream right about now. Oh, how cute is this? That's cute. That's making, I don't know what they're making. Some candy, some balls, some dessert, some sweetness, and ice cream over here. Right there, baby. Single, double. Oh, we are so getting double. Hello. My baby like those when he was small. I'm for you only. Hey, I got my Rocky Road ice cream now. So good. Really good. Thank you. I also get the mango, so sour. Sour. No thanks. The sun. You guys. Somewhere here. Over there. We're gonna sit over there. No sun. The other side. We're gonna go sit down, enjoy our mango smoothies, so sour, and our ice cream. We're still looking for a t-shirt, like a tank top, and we would like to look for some magnet for souvenir. Pizza. Oh, look at this group. They are a big group. This one doesn't seem like they have a lot of clothes but no t-shirt. At least they have V-neck. I like V-neck. More people get out the ship now. Because in the morning they don't want to wake up early. My sister-in-law, they are early bird. They already wake up, do what they need to do, and they go back already to have lunch. It's like a party up in here. Party. Looking for shot glass. More people, more fun. The lady thought it's a tsunami when it's making a lot of noises like this, like a fungus. Long time ago when we came here, I believe there is not a hotel. So that little cute house is, how you call? It's called somebody home. How do you call it? It's called somebody home. Now the music is on. Early in the morning we just run like this. Oh, people get the ice cream from this one. Like a burger.
I can't shake them.
People dancing inside.
was only gone 1 week.
Here, sit down. Rules for the beach.
Not my paycheck.
The not early bird people, they just came out now. Show you guys that by the beach, the ocean, there's like hot for little kids to play. I believe that's the bar house that we like on the right, on the left. Oh, what is that? That's a sign. It's a beer. I thought it's a house. Everything is for entertainment. Cat t-shirt. Like to go by and see. Those dogs smoke. It's like a silent smoking. Oh, this is Airbnb. Oh yeah, finally I see some Chinese food to go. Chinese like they only have one, huh? Before they have a lot, why they only have one? There's no ball. That's like no one is playing. Bring your own ball. Set the deer. Excuse the language. Going back to the boat. So that over there, the house, I thought it was someone's house, but it's like nobody home. I think people can go out there and look out. Right here. Set the deer and then look out. Thought it was somebody home, but no. When you get out, they provide you water. If you're thirsty, you can drink. This is where the cruise ship
You have a very boring life.
people are going into the boat, ship,